Logic Lift is a legacy mainframe to modern logic archaeology tool designed to address the COBOL or black box dilemma. COBOL was created in 1959 to be a portable, user-friendly language for mainframes. Despite being over 60 years old, most of the world's critical systems, like banks, governments, and insurance agencies, still rely on COBOL. Many COBOL developers are nearing retirement age, and fewer younger coders are learning it. This creates a risk for companies when problems arise and no COBOL expert is available. The problem is that critical business logic is locked inside legacy codebases that function like black boxes, making them difficult to understand and maintain. Most modernization tools simply translate syntax, risking failure, and often losing the underlying business why behind the system. Logic Lift takes a different approach to modernization. Instead of translating code, Logic Lift performs logic archaeology. It recovers business rules, financial semantics, and implicit assumptions before modernization begins. The key innovation is the system recovery queue, which is a verification pipeline. Each module progresses until its modern Python version is behaviorally equivalent to the original COBOL. While many enterprise modernization tools rewrite COBOL into heavyweight stacks like Java or C#, Logic Lift intentionally targets Python. This choice maximizes readability, auditability, and developer accessibility during the system recovery phase. Unlike traditional tools requiring complex on-premise installations, Logic Lift is available directly inside Google AI Studio, allowing you to run the Archeology engine in your browser with zero local setup. Gemini 3 powers the reasoning layer, maintaining system-wide context, validating logic, and grounding modernization decisions using search, not just code rewriting. Logic Lift transforms legacy systems from black boxes into trusted, auditable, modern foundations. This is institutional memory recovery, not just modernization.